Hello everybody, today I'm demonstrating an order execution engine that I have built for a decentralized exchange. This is a backend system that processes cryptocurrency market orders with intelligent DEX routing. And we also have real-time WebSocket updates and concurrent queue managements built using Node.js and TypeScript. We are using BullMQ for queue system, and we're using WebSockets for real-time updates. So let's quickly check out the architecture. Okay, so the architecture follows a simple service-oriented pattern. So order comes through the REST API, gets validated through different layers, and then pushed into the BullMQ queue. The system fetches codes from both Raydium and Meteora DX, and then it compares prices basically and selects the best execution venue. All status updates stream to the client. All the stream update to the client via the WebSocket services for real-time updates. So let me start off the server. So first of all, let's start the server. Let's start the server. Uh, so okay, it is connected to port 3000. So this thing connects to the PostgreSQL and uh, uh, Redis for caching and queue management. We are initializing our BullMQ worker with concurrency control as well. And since we have seen the port 3000 is listening, so we can just do some good stuff. This okay, so basically I have already written a script that makes submits five simultaneous orders to see if the concurrent processing happens. So let's run it. Name of the file is test multiple.js. Cool. Okay, let me show you the terminal what's happening exactly. Okay, order received, order received, order received, order connected. The pricing comparison of all the five happens. And best for order 2 we found the best DX, which was Raydium. Order 2 transaction was started to create. Order 5 we found DX, Raydium again. 3 we found Meteora. For 4 we found Raydium. 1 Meteora again. Cool. Submitted, and then order 2 transactions successful, 5 transactions successful, 3 successful, 4 successful. Okay, so all of them were successful. If they would have failed as well, let's assume if they would have failed, happens during concurrent with real-time WebSocket updates for each changes. So uh, let's see. Let me show you. Okay. Yeah. So okay. What can we do now? Since okay. Yeah. So we should run some unit test as well that I have already written. Yeah, it is running. Should be running. Yeah, it is running. Cool. So let me just run test. You can find all the code in the GitHub repo that I've provided already. Let's see. Cool. So 27 tests covering all the DX routing logics. I've also included queue behaviors and WebSocket lifecycles. It also includes database operations, and all of them are passing, which is great. So the entire project is deployed using Docker Compose for local development. So and which also include deployment configuration for Railway and render if you want. And yeah, so thanks for watching. That was it.